Welcome to the Raleigh apartment home floor plan at award-winning Abberly Southpoint. This community is located in the desirable Fredericksburg, Virginia area and is the halfway point between Richmond, Virginia and Washington, D.C. Let's explore this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. First, let's state the obvious. This home is perfect for that roommate lifestyle. With both massive bedrooms offering large closets and including their private bathroom, this one-of-a-kind floor plan can be perfect for you and your roommate. Don't have a roommate? No problem. This home is ideal for singles, families, or couples with plenty of room to entertain. Check out this kitchen. The warm mocha cabinets and sparkling granite countertops invite you to scoot up to your breakfast bar with a hot mug of cocoa. The great room offers multiple setup options with TV connections on either wall, and there's room for a table for entertaining family and friends. All of this opens to your own private outside space. You get all of these perks, plus the convenience of a home washer and dryer and smart home technology. And the best part? It's tucked into the amenity-rich luxury apartment community of Abberly at Southpoint. This community is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. To view all of our communities, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.